Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 BMW Motorhome is expected to offer the perfect combination of BMW luxury, state-of-the-art technology, outstanding performance, and the comforts of a mobile home. Outside aerodynamic and futuristic design, the exterior of the RV is most likely to adhere to the latest BMW design language, which features futuristic components, elegant proportions, and sleek lines. Aerodynamics will play a key role in driving stability and fuel efficiency. Iconic Kidney Grille. BMW's recognizable Kidney Grille is likely to remain the focal point of the front end, perhaps with improved lighting, a more modern look, or perhaps the addition of sensors and cameras. Advanced LED lighting, LED matrix, or laser technology will most likely be utilized in headlights and taillights to improve visibility and give them a more fashionable look. Premium materials. It is expected that the motorhome's body would be constructed from strong, lightweight materials like carbon fiber or aluminum to increase longevity and economy. Inside, upscale luxury. The 2026 BMW Motorhome is expected to have upscale materials like nappa leather, real wood, and metal accents. Each component will be carefully designed to create a luxurious and distinctive atmosphere. Flexible and ergonomic layout. The interior layout will be planned to maximize both space and usefulness. A variety of sleeping, relaxing, and dining options will be made possible by adjustable tables, movable or folding seats, and comfy beds. Fully furnished kitchen. The RV's kitchen is likely to be modern, with a microwave, induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, sink with hot and cold water, and thoughtful storage. Technology and performance, hybrid or electric powertrain options, in keeping with global automotive trends. The 2026 BMW Motorhome is expected to offer a range of plug-in hybrid or potentially fully electric powertrain options.